Hello student, my English book 1 Standard 1। आज हम इंग्लिश की एक नज़म पढ़ेंगे, उसे आप लोग गौर से सुनिए और याद करें।
Sing a welcome song, ring a joyful bell. Sing a welcome song, ring a joyful bell. Ding dong ding, everybody sing. Ding dong ding, everybody sing. For a new day begins, for a new day begins. Come together, one and all. Come together, one and all. Ding dong, ding dong, ding dong, ding. Ding dong, ding dong, ding dong, ding. Happy song of joy we bring. Happy song of joy we bring.